friends, my name is Singh Chandni Harendra and I am in third year of BC and my roll number is 161.
So this is my client side website. You can see here 4 latest books shown here, and by directly click on book you can see directly book details. Here we have authors. If you want particular author book, you can directly click on particular author and you can see that book. Here you can see by default it shows all books here, and you can directly go on particular book details. If I want to see only programming books, I will click on programming, and you can see here programming books. And if I want to see only spiritual books, then click on spiritual, and here only spiritual books. Now I am going to log in. If you have login ID, then you can directly log in, either you can sign up. I am going to log in here. Here you can see user ID. User ID will be, this is all books here. You can also search. We'll see here. This website has also facility to categories. You can directly jump over particular category book. Here nature books. If you want a particular author book, you can directly go on it. Balaguru Swami books, like this. Here we have categories. From here you can directly go on particular category books and particular author books. If you want to go, you can go. Now I am going to buy Java. Okay. If I will select quantity less than 1, then it will show me error. Quantity should be more than 0. If here available quantity is 10 and I will enter more than 10, then it will be give me error, out of stock. Then I am going to buy 5 books. Here message prompt, product added. On the spot quantity will be updated, and in this add to cart you can see here, and here you can also go on book and buy this. I'm going to buy one more book, and if you want to delete product, you can also delete from here. And now I'm going to proceed to pay. Continue to check out. So that's all about our client side. So this is admin side of my website, bookstore website, and this is login page for admin. Admin cannot do anything without login. Here greeting for admin, and here I am going to add category. For this I am going to choose file, upload. Here you can also delete, edit books, edit, and also you can delete from here. Here you can see that books deleted. And now I am going to add author. In view author, edit and all, delete from here. I am going to add book. Here you can see the latest I added, and you can also search here. Okay, and you can also add admin, add another admin. Here view admin details, edit and delete, view customer, which customer has purchased book or signed in, and Here view cells, and that's log out. If you log out, then you will directly jump over login page. So that's all about admin panel.